Hello, welcome to the video that will teach you to become a pro internet user. Today, I'm diving into the shadowy corners of the internet to bring you the top 6 dark websites you absolutely need to know and need a VPN for. Stick around, this one's going to be exciting. First up, we've got DuckDuckGo. This search engine's a favorite alternative to Google on the dark web. Why? It lets you search the surface web while guaranteeing your privacy. It's the go-to search engine on the Tor browser for private, trace-free web browsing. Next, Facebook. Yes, you heard that right. The world's largest social media giant has an onion address. This means you can access Facebook even in restricted regions. And guess what? You can create an anonymous Facebook account on the dark web. Pretty cool, huh? Moving on, we've got Amia. Amia is a search engine for finding useful websites on the dark web. It's also handy for viewing news, insights, and statistics about the Tor network. If you're looking to learn more about the dark web, Amia's your go-to. Fourth on the list is Sci-hub. This one's a goldmine for academics and researchers. It provides millions of research papers from various publications for free. So, if you need to read up on tons of topics without breaking the bank, Sci-hub's the place to be. Next, ZeroBin. This site is perfect for sending encrypted text with an auto-destruct feature to your contacts. Even their servers won't know what you copy-pasted. It's a great way to share sensitive information securely. Last but not least, we have Keybase. Think of it as a messaging app like WhatsApp, but for the dark web. Keybase allows you to share files securely with friends and contacts, thanks to its end-to-end encryption. Safe, secure, and efficient. And there you have it, the top 6 dark websites you need a VPN for. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos like this. Stay safe out there.